How to enable dark mode in Google Calendar using your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. For iPhone users, Google Calendar follows your iPhone system theme, so you'll need to open up Settings app from your iOS device. Once you open up Settings, tap on Display and Brightness. Under Appearance at the top, select Dark. Once your iPhone's system turns into a dark color, get back to Google Calendar. Now, as you can see it, your Google Calendar has also automatically switched to dark mode. If you're using Android, then you'll be able to enable the theme option inside the menu button. From the home screen of Google Calendar, go to the top left and tap on the three buttons at the top right and select Settings. After you select Settings, select General, and on your iOS device, you will not be able to see the theme option, but in your Android, you will be able to see it there. Simply select Dark, and that's it. If you also want a tutorial for Android theme, comment down below in the comment box and I might do it on my next tutorial. That is how you can easily switch to a darker background for Google Calendar on your iOS in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.